Hello everyone, today I am going to explain about formal charge. Formal charge is the charge assigned to an atom in a molecule. So by using formal charge formula, we can easily calculate the number of formal charge on any atom in a molecule. So number of formal charge is equal to number of valence electron minus number of dots minus number of lines. So number of valence electron we can find by using its group number. Number of dots is nothing but number of lone pair of electrons. Number of lines is nothing but a number of bonds surrounded by an atom. Suppose taking an example of O3 molecule. So this is the Lewis dot structure of O3 molecule. So by marked it as oxygen 1, second oxygen and third oxygen. So now we find the formal charge on O3 molecule one by one on first oxygen, second and third oxygen. So you know that formal charge on first oxygen equal to is all you know oxygen belongs to 6th group. So number of valence electron on oxygen first is 6. Number of dots here is 2 dots minus 2. Number of lines 1 2 3. Number of lines on first oxygen is 3. So 6 minus 5, 6 minus 5 equal to 1. So here the formal charge on oxygen first is plus 1. So let's find the formal charge on second oxygen. So all you know that oxygen belongs to 6th group, so have number of valence electron 6. Number of dots here 1 2 3 4. Number of lines, so here's lines 1 2, so write it here 2 minus 6 minus 6, so it is equal to 0. So formal charge on second oxygen is 0. Now we can find the formal charge on third oxygen. It's a third oxygen, so here the 6 it belongs to, as you know, 6th group. 6 minus number of lines, a number of dots, we can count 1 2 3 4 5 6. Number of lines here is only one line. So here formal charge on oxygen O3 is 6 minus 6, that is dot, number of dots minus 1 number of lines. So here we get minus 1. The formal charge on third oxygen is minus 1. So by using the formal charge we can easily calculate the Lewis dot structure. So which is the Lewis dot best structure? So which the atoms which have least or zero number of formal charge is the best Lewis dot structure. So here is O2, which is 0 or least Lewis dot structure is the best. So thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thank you so much.